Hello, my students. Welcome to my class. Okay, today is Friday, 28 August 2020. Topic travel. Performance identify vocabulary. Okay, today we make two activities. Identify the vocabulary but watching a video. Okay, the Disney video. Okay, I need that you copy that, please. And when you finish, copy this map concept. This is the vocabulary that you look or watch in the video. Okay, if you like, you can watch the video first and then copy the map concept of that you like, or copy this concept and then you identify the vocabulary watching the video. Puedes hacer dos cosas. Primero, ver el video y después copiar este mapa conceptual en tu cuaderno o al contrario. Copias el mapa conceptual y vas viendo el video y vas identificando el vocabulario que te entrego aquí. ¿Ok? And please, necesito que lo tengas porque es el comienzo. Todo este vocabulario lo vamos a utilizar en el tercer periodo. Okay, and this is important. Please copy that in your notebook. Okay, the travel. Travel is when you go to other place different that the place that you live. Travel, viajar. Do you have two important things? It's a suitcase and tickets. And the expression that you listened on in the video is all aboard and let's travel. And we have other vocabulary that we can use in is traveling by. I travel by bus. I travel by plane, by train, boat, car, and bike. Okay, I need that you copy that, please. And then when you finish, watch the video or that you like. It's okay, but it's important that you copy that in your notebook. Okay, my student, this is the activity for today. Please don't forget, it's very important for this third period. Bye, see you.